Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up a free Mailchimp account to be able to handle your email marketing and integrate it with your WordPress website. Alright, so to do that we're going to need to create an account on Mailchimp. Alright, let's go over here to log in. And what we'll do is from here we'll just click create a new account. Now I already have an account, but I'm still going to walk you through the process of setting up a brand new account if you need one. Like I said, it is free, so just go to create an account. Oops. All right. Okay, so enter your information in. Alright, so now they're going to send me an email. I'm going to confirm that, and then we'll get back to the site. Okay, so now I'm back from verifying my email for my account. I'm just going to click login. Next step, just go through all these steps and fill in all of the information that it needs from you. And for some reason, I can't type very well today. Okay, let's just put let's actually space that out over here. All right. Okay. Let's go and fill in this personal information. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then click to the next step. Okay, so here we are inside of the account once we've created it. I'm just going to go to our homepage. Right now you see zero audience because you haven't done anything yet. And so we're just going to go through each of these steps. You got campaigns, templates, lists, and reports. So first thing we want to do is go over here. We're going to need to create a potential list. And so right here, let's go one subscriber. Let's go. So we can actually use this one. Then now we're going to need to create a sign up form for us to be able to collect emails. So you can see the different options. You have form integrations, subscriber, pop-up. This is one that if you insert this code into your website, when visitors come to your website, a pop-up will appear on the web page for them to enter their email if they desire. If not, they can just exit out and not enter their email. An embedded form, obviously, is HTML. So as I mentioned earlier, when we've seen the widgets, if you wanted to embed a sign-up form on the sidebar or the footer of your website, you could do that using this HTML code right there. Or you can also insert it using the Elementor page builder. You can take this code and insert it onto your website. Then general forms, this can be a link where you send someone to, and also you can just take the code from it also, as well. Alright, so what we're going to do is to integrate it with our WordPress website, what we need to do is come over here. Actually, scroll up. Come over here to account. Then I believe under extras, we go to API keys. Okay, we have no API keys right now, so we need to create one. Okay. Alright, just create us an API key. So we're going to copy that. Copy that. Okay. Then come over to the website. Let me log in here. Okay, so now if we wanted to integrate it with WordPress and using the page Elementor, using Elementor Pro, that's all we do. We come down here. Then you see right here where it says form. We're going to drag this here. Then we can make some changes if we want to. For now, I'm just going to keep it very basic. And we can pretend that this was for we were building out a landing page, but I'm just going to leave this part just to show you how to do it, just to keep things simple and quick. So come down here, click Actions after Submit. You see right now it says Email. This means it's going to email you a copy of this information. So it's going to email you the name, email, and whatever other information that you require if you have other form fields that you configure up in this tab. So if not, it's just naming the email. So we can see it's going to send us an email, but if we also want to collect from Mailchimp, we'll click Mailchimp, and you see this Mailchimp option comes up. And then we'll copy, paste that API key, select the desired list, and right now we only have one list, so that's good. Then you can configure these settings if you desire. Also, what you want to do is you want it to, most likely you're going to want to do a redirect. So you just click it again. Click redirect, and if you create a custom homepage, a custom thank you page for this landing page, you can insert that link right here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave the link empty right now. Well, actually, I'll show you what it looks like. So let's say we want to redirect it to isaiahashley.com. Okay. So we have all that set up. I'm just going to click Save. Come over here, click View Page. Now we're going to enter our information. Let's just enter the name Zay. And then we'll make my email. Okay, click Submit or Send, whatever I name it. And you can see this, the form was successfully sent. Okay, so now we can come back over here to Mailchimp, refresh the page, and you can see that 2 subscribers are in here now. And you can see that I only collected first name from that list, so you can only see first name right here. So from here, once you have your email list and you start to collect emails, what you might want to do is you might want to have set up an autoresponder for people who, for the first time subscribers to your email list. You might want to have them like a welcome email, or if they're opting into a page and you're promising a free book or a free ebook or a free report or something free that you're giving away and you're sending it to the email, the way that you set that up is that you have to set up a campaign. To set up a campaign, just come over here, click Campaigns. Click Create a Campaign. Choose your objective. So is this creating a landing page, creating an ad, or an email? So just creating an email. This is going to be an automated email. So right here you see welcome all new subscribers, say happy birthday, share blog update. So for this one, we're going to do welcome new subscriber. Campaign message. You can just you can change this. You want to customize it exactly how you want it to be. I'm just going to leave the basics just so I can show you how to utilize this platform. And this is going to be automated. So this means that whenever someone subscribes to your email list for the first time, this will trigger the email. So you can see right here, trigger after 1 day after subscribers join your list. You can click Edit Trigger. All right, subscriber joins your list. Wait within 1 day. So you can do it immediately. That's what you want to change it to. And click Update Trigger. Then we design the email. So you can see right here, name the email, welcome, and you can see this is only internal use. Email subject. So this is the first thing people will see is the email subject. So you want that to be convincing. You want to have very good copy in this area. Preview. You also want the preview text to be convincing. That way they actually open your emails. There's something called click-through rate, and you want your open rate, your click-through rate for your emails. You want to have a good open rate. You want people to actually open and read your emails. And the way to do that is start off by having engaging subjects and engaging preview text. A from name that they will recognize, and then your email address that you're sending it from. So Let me go ahead and enter a subject, and I'm not going to make this one convincing. I'm just going to type something in just so we can move to the next page. Or actually, maybe I'll just do something like this. Here's your free gift. That one might be something someone's likely to open and say. And I might put something like this to make it even more convincing. $97 value. Inside. Preview text. I can put congratulations. Oop, I can't spell. There we go. Congratulations. I don't know why I did that. Okay. On getting this free gift. Now, this is, if I was actually doing this for real, I would actually take my time and think of something, but I'm just thinking of this on the spot. Move to the next page. Then this is how we design the layout for the email. You can see right here, this is some of the featured templates that are already out here. You can go over here to themes for an email. This is going to save you time, of course. Then come back to layouts. If you want to design your own, click one of these, and you can also make all the needed changes you want. So we can just do a simple text for this email. Then you have the ability for a drag and drop email builder, so you can customize this email exactly how you want it to be, your content, your design, all those different things. Once you've done that, you're just going to save it. You can preview and test it, save the template. If you want to use this one again, save it. Okay. And you can see now that it is active. So now you have this on here, and anytime now someone subscribes to your email list, they'll now receive this email. Now obviously I don't want this to be active because I actually didn't put any content in here, so I would hate for someone to visit a landing page, enter their email, and get this email. So I'm going to go back in and edit this for my website, but hopefully now you have a basic understanding for putting together your list, getting email opt-ins, and creating your first campaign. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.